Now we will be connecting the center back up to the crotch level of the pants. Of course, the yoke line should be aligned. We always pin first both ends of whatever we are connecting. This way, when we pin the inside part, we can make adjustments so that the attachment is well distributed. Again, we lock stitch the edge. We will trim the sewing allowance and just leave 3/8 of an inch or 1 centimeter. Now we will finish the seam of the center back of the pants. Okay, you see this sewing allowance on the center back? We will fold it facing on the left side, and we will top stitch at the edge of the center back seam and another one after the center back seam. In other words, there will be a double top stitching. Okay, now we're doing the second top stitching.